Jimmy, blood clot, let me tell you a story, dog. When me say, me have to left me yard the other day, you know, go see. Me have to left the yard, no blood clot and everything in the yard, me have to left. Dup in my yard. Me say to myself, hold on. Me I look for the car key them and can't find it. So me say, what? Where the key them there? By the time I turn around, me I go down the stairs, something push me down the blood clot stairs, and I tell me they broke my neck and dead.
Something push you down the stairs. What do you mean something push you down the stairs? Liar, blood clot, tell me. Move away from me. No one hear them idiot story there. All the rest why you come with some crazy self, no man Lynn. What's wrong with you? Lord, hey, listen. If something push you down the blood clot stairs, let me tell you what you need to do and where you need to go. Eka church, go read your book and pray. Hold on. A liar call me. A liar you call me. Jimmy, a liar call me. Hey, turn around and pop me neck and lie me I tell. Me I tell you the truth now. Me I go down the stairs now right till the dog see every blood clot something. Me I go down the stairs. And when I go down the stairs now, me not even buck on a blood clot. Me just tumble. Do. End up on the floor. Me not even look round good. Me just jump out and run out of the yard. Because me not trust nothing. Me sorry. Me not dead in ya. Alright then. If a truth you talk, away your cocoa there. Away the bruise them there. Because me know say if you drop down the blood clot stairs, you could never die. If you come tell story and talk. So away the cocoa. Show me now. Away there. In your head. In your head back. Away there. Show me now. Away the evidence. Me need evidence.
Alright. Cause you think me a liar. Alright. Go on. Me I go bring your blood clot evidence. Watch this. The cocoa them gone down already. So don't worry about the cocoa. But me I go bring your blood clot evidence. Watch this. Hold on. Let me go get my dog and come back.
Hold on. You say your dog? Your dog?
Hold on. Because me sure me no mad no ratty. And me sure me no wear hearing aid. You say your dog? Well your dog can't talk. Bumbo class. Me never know say dog can talk. Let me bring him come. Let me see. Cause me and this dog can reason. Alright. Cause you think say me mad. Ha. Me I go show you something. Me I go show you blood clot. So watch this. Hey. Fufu, where you there? Fufu. How your blood clot there? How you got? Hold on. Where you there? Hold on. Fufu. And who the blood clot you call Fufu? Please tell me. Because last time me check, me no Fufu, you know. And me are the one who try to tell you about the blood clot ghost in the yard where you don't want to listen. So, how happen? You drop down 12 step and run. And that's what you do. Who are the fool?
Look upon me. Lynn, look upon me. You sure you don't need section? You sure? Because me not see this dog mouth to open, you know. So me don't know where you're dealing. You sure you know Obia? You sure nobody? Hey, you sure somebody no wish bad luck on you? Because me don't know where your blood clot is there.
Daddy, how would the bumbo clot you mean so you can't hear the dog? You don't hear the dog attack to you. You don't hear what I'm saying. Me hear everything. Me couldn't hear him in the yard, but me can hear him now. So you don't hear him? Him attack. Listen, open up your ears and hear.
That drop must be tough, no ratty, because your head gone.
Oh, so you can hear me now, but you could never hear me in the yard. Oh, that makes sense. When me I try to save you, you would have saved yourself from a cocoa and bogo, blood clot, bogo, and then run. So you hear me? So what me I gonna tell you now? Fatty, run where? Hey, how the blood clot you talk to? You could never talk to me, and you, I could never. You attack to me, hear about this. Take up your little shot, little blood clot, your little patchy, little 1 foot, two. Me don't even know what to call you. But you little broke foot, little ras, you not go eat it on my place. No, but brought in. Me just remember, me have nowhere to sleep. But anyway, you now come with me tonight so you can fuck where. That alright. Me can fine, cause you know see how me cute. So go on with your blood clot, go on. Me no wanna stay with you. Cause anybody can take me. Me get more girl than you. Me get more feel and touch than you. So how can you tell me say me have broke foot when me catch more than you? Oh, me sorry master, but here what? Your mother love me. Oh, you sure? You sure say my mother love you? You sure say my mother like you since when? Oh, you know remember when your belly did a hatch last week and you go mommy and she get a big bowl of blood clot food and you come home and hit in the kitchen. Oh, me remember what that call. It called food poisoning, like a greedy fucker you.
Yeah. Me have to take up myself, yeah, because me no blood clot no a what him smoke. Let alone what him drink out ya, but hobby ya did there in a this boy ya. And yeah, me can't deal with them blood clot people around me. Yeah, so let's see, I so big